In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix DirectX 11 Feature 10 on Valorant. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna show you plenty of solutions that you can follow in order to fix any DirectX related errors that you might be getting when trying to play Valorant. I'm gonna present them in order on what I believe is most effective, so follow along. And for the first one, what I recommend that you do is you try going into the Windows Update settings. If you don't update your Windows installation often, you might run into errors related to stuff like DirectX. So by going over to Windows Update, checking for updates, you are going to ensure that you have the latest version of not only the Windows installation, but also other tools like DirectX. So start by doing this, and if you are up to date and the problem still persists, for the next one, look for the device manager on your computer. So open the Windows here and then go into the device manager. When you go over to device manager, you will find this category, display adapters. Open this up, and what you have to do is update the drivers of your display adapter. So you might have a dedicated GPU like me. So this would usually say NVIDIA or AMD, and sometimes you might have integrated graphics. So for example, you might see Intel HD graphics. If you have something like Intel HD graphics or an integrated display adapter, I recommend that you simply right-click this and then go into Update Driver. You can try this as well if you are using NVIDIA or AMD, but I recommend that you take an additional step that I'm going to show you. Regardless, just try going into Update Driver and follow the steps here. You can do search automatically for drivers, and Windows is going to try to install the latest driver available for your display adapter. However, if you have a GPU dedicated like me, so I have an AMD Radeon RX 7900 XTX, what you would do is go over to the NVIDIA or AMD website where you can download the drivers for your specific GPU. So for example, on NVIDIA, let's say you have a GeForce RTX 4070. Just go into the website, select the 40 series, 4070, and then search for the drivers. Like I said, the same can be done for AMD. So select the series and then the specific drivers that you need. Once you are done updating the display adapters, restart your computer and try signing into Valorant again. If it still doesn't work, the last method that I want to show you is to update DirectX through the official Microsoft website. So make sure that you visit the official Microsoft page, DirectX, and user runtime, and download this tool. It is going to be a little setup that you can run to make sure that DirectX is properly installed on your computer, so compatibility with all sorts of games is going to be flawless. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Valorant DirectX Feature 10. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.